On today's video, we are going to be canceling our HBO subscription through the Amazon app. Now this is going to be done on my computer, but it's a very similar process if you're doing it on your TV. Let's get started right now. So many of you may have signed up for HBO through your Amazon account. And for those of you that did, this video is going to be for you. We signed up for the HBO 7-day trial. And after exploring it a little bit, we decided we wanted to cancel our service. So what we're going to be doing is we're actually on my web browser, my computer on Amazon.com. Now, once you're logged into your account, what you can do is you can come up here to this little drop-down menu. And as you can see, you get all sorts of different options through your Amazon services. One of those options is this memberships and subscriptions button. I'm going to click on that. And once we are inside here, you're going to see all of your active memberships that you are subscribed to through Amazon. And as you can see, we've got Amazon Prime. This auto-renews for us in August, as well as HBO right here, which as of today's video, this is actually going to be ending tomorrow. So we want to go ahead and end that. And what we're going to do is actually click on this little button right here, this Manage Subscription. And that's going to bring us into some advanced settings. And then I'm going to click on Video Settings. Okay, once we're in here, you can see that this is where you're going to give the option to change your payment. If you have a new credit card or anything like that, maybe you want to go through another payment method. And then it's also going to show you your payment history if you want to see that. Now, what we're looking for is this section down here, this video channels. As you can see, it says HBO here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I can click Cancel Channels. Now, this is going to bring up a message that wants you to confirm that you do want to cancel your channel. If you do, you can go ahead and click on this button right here, and that will basically end the process. Now I've got a couple more things I want to do just before I hit this button, so I won't do that in this video. But that should give you a basic idea of what you need to do to cancel your HBO subscription through Amazon. Friends, I hope that helps. If it has, hit that thumbs up button. It lets us know we're making helpful videos. And subscribe because you get a lot more Amazon tutorial videos that are coming up soon. Thanks so much for watching.